Hi, welcome to Simple How To's. In the next couple of weeks, I'll show you how to make money online. I'll show you how to make money online as I release videos in series, that is 5 series of 5+ episodes each with quality content. So please remember to subscribe so as to miss these series. Well, there's a popular quote that goes, to make money, you must solve people's problems. That is, you must solve people's problems profitably. All right. Some key takeaways on the audiences that are online. So there were 4.66 billion people that were online as of October 2020, and 16 to 24-year-olds spend an average of 3 hours a day on social media. Also, online shopping is growing so fast that the global online shopping market size is predicted to hit 4 trillion in 2020. Now we're in 2021. It has since passed. So, given these large numbers, it means you have a very big audience. That is, you have so many people who has problems that you have to solve online. Okay. So here our objective, why we want to make money online, is to increase our streams of income. Obviously, everyone needs more and more money, needs to increase his or her streams of income. So here the main goal is to increase what is known as passive income instead of active income. Active income, this is money that you get as soon as you do a job. Let's say you go and dig in someone's garden, you get paid. That's active income. Whereas passive income, it's money that keeps on. These are financial streams that keep on giving you money. Even if you have done the job, say 5 years ago, 2 years ago, or so many times ago. Okay, so this is what happens with making money online. You make money whilst you sleep, or you make money whilst you are on holiday. Okay, so the materials that are needed to carry out these online jobs, you need a good internet connection, you need a smartphone or a laptop. Also, you need an empty mind. That is, you must be willing to learn. Okay, so the series we are going to release, the first series will be how to make money online using social media. The second series will be how to make money online via freelance jobs. I'll give you a list of freelance sites that you can make use of that will pay you. Some will pay as little as $2 per each task. Some will pay as up to $500 per task that you may have completed. We'll move on to surveys. There are people that are being just paid to give their honest opinion of a certain website, of a certain app. There are people that are being paid just to give an update of how the weather is like wherever they are. That is by just doing surveys. I'll also give you a list of apps and websites that will pay you for doing some simple or some complicated surveys. The fourth series is an interesting one. I'll show you how you can make money via cryptocurrency. I hope you are now aware of Bitcoins, you are now aware of Ethereum and all the other altcoins. I hope you're also aware of Forex trading, the trading of volatilities, who release videos on this. And lastly, we'll show you how to make money by teaching. I hope we have teachers here, or we have people who are aspiring to teach whatever skill they are good at. Be it good at music, be it good at cooking, be it good at your native languages. I'll show you the websites that will pay you to do such teachings. So now your homework is just to write down 10 legit ways to make money online. I want to hear from you as I start rolling out the episodes. You may write down the 10 ways that you may think you can make money online with. Just leave them down in the comments below, and I'll definitely attend to each and every comment. Okay, so please do not miss a video again. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. By doing so, you will not miss any video that we will release. You will not miss the series that we are going to release. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.